Hi students, welcome to Kim Show. Today we are discussing one of the important topic for the NEET examination, that is mole concept. So many problems are asked under this topic. So you have to get a clear idea about this concept. If you are getting a clear idea, you can solve all those questions. Okay. So what is actually mole concept? We are not studying the concept by heart, we are understanding the concept. Okay, I'm deeply explaining the concept and you are understanding it, not make it by heart. Okay, so just try to understand the concept, mole concept. So mole concept, suppose if I have two pens. Okay, I'm saying we can say that what one pair pen. Okay, is that right? It is, if I have two pens, we can say that one pair pen. And if I have 12 pens, okay, if I have 12 pens, we can say that 1 dozen pen. Okay, right. So what does it mean? This pair and dozen stands for 2 and 12. This pair is a word that denotes for the number 2, and dozen is a word that is for 12. Okay, this 2 pens means one pair pen. For the number 2 we denote pair, for the number 12 we denote dozen. Like that, for this number, is here I am writing one number 6022 6022 Okay, so if I have this much of pens, okay, if I have this much of pens, then I'm saying that I have one mole pen. Okay, I have one mole pen. That means what? Mole is a word that stands for this number. Okay, this number can be written also like this: 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, and it is denoted by the letter Na. This is called Avogadro number. This is called Avogadro number, denoted by the letter Na. And for that much amount of number, okay, I have this much amount of pens. In my hand, I have this much amount of pens. Then I am saying one mole pen. Okay, if I have 2 pens, I am saying one pair pen. If I have 12 pens, I am saying I have 1 dozen pen. And if I have this much amount of pens, then I am saying I have one mole pen. Okay, right. Is it clear? Then the next concept is that is, if I have this much amount of number pens, that is one mole pen. So the mole is denoted by the number, this number. Okay, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 pens I have, then I am saying one mole pen. So mole is a word that denotes for this number. That number is called Avogadro number. Okay, so in your NCERT textbook, the definition for the mole concept or 1 mole is defined as like this, that is 1 mole equal to 1 mole defined as number of particles present in 12 gram of 12 carbon 12 isotope. That is 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. That means what? In a carbon 12 isotope, that is 12 is the mass number. It's an isotope carbon 12. So 1 mole is defined in your NCERT textbook as like this, that is the number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So how many particles are present? What is the number that 1 mole contains? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay. So that much amount of particle is present in this 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Okay. So 1 mole means how many particles? Can say that? That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Okay. 1 mole means this much amount of particles. So 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope contains how much of particles? How many particles? That is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Okay, right. Is that right? Everything clear up to here? Okay. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay. So, next, one of the important point regarding this concept, that is mole concept. So, if I have, suppose if I have 1 mole, 1 minute. If I have 1 mole, that is if I have 1 mole pen, okay, 1 mole pen, that means what? As I have 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 pens. Okay, right. There's 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 4th pen, 5th, 6th, 7th. So these are all pens. How many pens I have then? 1 mole pen means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 pens. Okay, right. Now next, and I also have 1 mole, can take book. Okay, and also have 1 mole book. So 1 mole book means what? 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4th book, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Like how many books? This 1 mole book means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 books. Okay, right. Then 1 mole pen and 1 mole book contains equal number of book and pens. Okay, there's 1 mole book and 1 mole pen contain equal number of particles. Equal number of particles means here a pen is present, here book, it is they are containing 6.022 to 10 raised to 23 books and pens. So here number of pens equal to number of books. Okay, 1 mole is that clear? Is that clear? It is 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, so here 1 mole pen means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 pens, and 1 mole book means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 books. Okay, but what is the difference here? If both 1 mole pen and 1 mole book have same mass, can you say? Can you guess and just imagine and say? Imagine and say that 1 mole pen and 1 mole book have same mass, have the same mass? No. Okay. But here equal moles of any two or more substance may or may not have equal mass. Okay, may or may not have equal mass. Only the mole concept stands for what number? That number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And not for mass. Here mass is different. Here one mole pen and one mole book, the number of pens and books are similar, but the difference is about the mass. The mass of one mole pen is different from one mole book. It is not similar, it is not same. Okay, they may have a equal mass and may not have equal mass. Sometimes one mole pen and one mole pencil sometimes may have equal mass. Is that right? But here one mole pen and one mole book both have different masses. So that is the concept, mole concept. Okay, right. So now next, one of the important concept, that is, here we can see. So we are considering 1 mole CH4. Okay, right. For consider 1 mole CH4 molecule. Then here we are taking 1 mole CH4 molecules. Then here 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule. Okay. So 1 mole CH4 means what? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule. Okay, right. 1 mole means what? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number. The mole is a word that denotes for the number. Okay, that is the number called Avogadro number. Okay, right. So here I am explaining the concept. You have to concentrate on each and everything, because these are the most important concept. From this concept you are asking so many questions from the NEET. For the NEET examination you are asking so many problems, so many questions regarding this concept. Okay, so you have to listen carefully. So here I am explaining that for how many carbon atom is present in, I am explaining 1 mole CH4 contains how many carbon atom, how many hydrogen atom, and so and so on. Okay, so 1 mole CH4 means what? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule. Okay, right. Now next, how many carbon atom is present in 1 mole CH4 molecule? How many carbon atom is present? Can you say? 1 carbon atom. Okay, so 6, here we have 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule. So we can write like this, that is 1 into 1 carbon into Na. That is means Na. That is Avogadro number. Okay, Avogadro number means what? We can write like this: 1 mole carbon atom is present. Okay, so 1 mole CH4 contains 1 mole carbon atom. Okay, right. So 1 carbon into Na. Na means what? Avogadro number. So 1 mole carbon atom is present. Okay, that is Na carbon atom. That means 1 mole carbon atom. Now next, how many hydrogen atom is present in 1 mole? How many hydrogen atom is present in 1 mole 1 mole methane? So the 1 mole methane contain 4 hydrogen atom. Okay, 1 mole methane contain 4 hydrogen atom. So here we have 6.022 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule. So 4 hydrogen atom into Na. Na is this number. We are multiplying with this number. Okay, so 4 hydrogen atom into Na means what? Is that 1 mole? No, that is 4 mole. That is, we can write like this, 4 mole. Okay, 4 mole. This 4 hydrogen atom into Na, that is Avogadro number. So we have 4 mole. Okay. Now next we are calculating the number of electrons. How can we calculate the number of electrons? That is, number of electrons. Carbon have 6 protons and 6 plus 6 12. The 6 proton and neutron. Okay, that is, this carbon is a neutral element, so we can write that proton, number of proton is equal to electron. Okay, so this have 6 electrons. Carbon have 6 electrons. 6 plus, now how many hydrogen atom present? Hydrogen having atomic number 1 and mass number 1, and mass number means proton plus neutron. Neutron equal to 0, but proton is 1. It is also having 1 electron, that is proton equal to electron. Here neutral element, so proton equal to electron, so 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen, we are having 4 hydrogen, 4 into 1, that is 4 electron. 6 plus 4 total 10 electrons. Okay, for 1 mole CH4 contain 10 electrons. So here 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule contains how much? 10 electron into Na, that is, can denote like this, 10 mole. Okay, that is 1 mole means what? Avogadro number. Here 10 Na means what? 10 mole. Okay, now next, how many protons are present? Number of protons. So same in the case we have discussed earlier, that is, proton means what? How much amount of proton is present in carbon? Carbon contain 6 protons plus hydrogen contain how much? Same, that is 4 protons. Okay, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Now next, 6.022 to 10 raised to 23 molecule, CH4 molecule contains 10 protons into Na, that is 10 mole. Okay, right. Now next, last concept is about neutron. How many neutron is present in the CH4? Thus in carbon we have 6 neutron. 6 neutron, and hydrogen neutron is absent. So 6 plus 0, that is 6. So 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 CH4 molecule contains what? 6 Na into neutron. 6 neutron into Na. Thus we can write like this, that is 6 mole. Okay. So everything clear about this concept is important, very very important for the NEET examination. Mole concept. Okay. Mole concept. 1 mole means what? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Okay. 1 mole is defined as number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. Your NCERT textbooks, that is the definition for 1 mole. And equal moles of any 2 or more substance may or may not have equal mass. That is another important concept. Okay. Okay guys, if you have any doubts regarding this section or anything else, you can suggest in the comment box. Okay, let's wind up this section. Thank you.